Welcome back to Voodoo Family Travels. I'm Greg.
And I'm Val. We're here in Kenner at the Pontchartrain Center, going to the RV and boat show. Let's see what we can see. All right, heading into the boat show. See what's new in the boating and camping world.
Thank you.
Nice.
It's $109,000 and $581.
A bunch of boat motors and all here. They do have a few concession areas, snacks, drinks. It's like pleasure boats, fishing boats. They usually have some good deals and things you could get at the shows. The book show price on this one is $122,995. Pretty color. It's like, this one's only $69,495.
Got a 150 Yamaha. Got speakers integrated in the roof. Lights.
It's like a party boat. Take a look at this one. Just different colors, schemes. A little bit different in the back. $7,100.
Fishing boat here.
Fishing boat. $24,688.
It's like a aluminum bass boat.
Oh, yeah, yeah, you're right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these aren't.
A lot of boats out here. I think this is more the boat show than the RV show.
RVs and a guy.
RVs are outside in the back. Different options for customizing your boats with speakers. This is $99,200. Blackjack
Fishing
220.
boat with a Mercury on it. It's a 300 horsepower Mercury on it.
Storage bins. Very clean. Got the little ice chest under your seat. Oh, your fresh catch. Here we go, like the party barge. It's a place to relax in the back. Seating area in the front. $81,000. It's nice. That little party barge. This one's $129,000. A little bit bigger, a little bit fancier. Seating areas in the front and the back. We're not much of the boaters, but we like to come look now and then. Got the big Mama Jamma right here. $138,000. The Paradise Sun Deck 300. Got the little LED lights. Oldest pontoon builder in the South. Nice.
Got lighted up beverage. Got a bathroom. Same thing, got the 3 seats in the back.
$73,000. These are little smaller ones. $88,000.
And I like how the seats come up so you
You
could
can walk on
walk.
it. And
And
it
this one
folds
comes up
down.
with like a bench seat in the back.
Storage,
batteries.
batteries. This one is $133,000 for this. It's luxury boats. The little smaller fishing boats here, $36,000. That fancy one, $151,000.
Thank you again for watching Voodoo Family Travels. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our videos. There's always more to come. I'm Greg.
And I'm Val. Join us again next time for the rest of the RV show.